Today, folks, I have the answer. I'm planning to shut down the entire narcissist operating system from the morning get-go. The alarm clocks, folks. Whoever invented it, somebody that took advantage of our time. It's sleep invasion. When they fucking disturb our sleeps in the morning. Every day for centuries since they invented that fucking alarm clock. But hear me. Once I take over this planet, you will be guaranteed a job when they try to fuck your lives up because they want their servitude so fucking bad. They're not going to get their breakfast. Let them get up all they want with the sunrise. Go jogging, out walking, whatever. We're going to take a big poll. How many of you want to fucking be woke up every morning? Alarmed clocks woke up. Alarmed. Forcing shit in your sleepy head while you're sitting at the desk. Fuck you don't get no more coffee and breakfast before 10 o'clock. You change shit now, might be generous to change it to 9 o'clock. There will be no more work before 9 o'clock in the morning. I'm abolishing 24-hour great shifts, 24 hours around the clock. Fuck no. You're only going to work 3 days a week, 3 hours a day to save the climate and to bring us into utopia where we belonged decades ago. You don't get to keep slavery. You want to abolish fucking narcissism? You would like me to take over this entire planet because that's where I am here to do. I don't need to just be the rule over the whole country. I don't need to speak the languages. I can get it done. You will no longer have to work 2 jobs, 3 jobs to sustain the thievery. I'm going to kill all the thievery. Who the fuck wants to abolish the alarm clock? Let's take a poll on it.